This system of naming the living organisms was introduced by the person. He was a Swedish biologist, and his name is Carolus, Carolus, Linnaeus, Linnaeus. This is name of the Swedish biologist who first time introduced binomial nomenclature system of naming the living organisms. Okay. Now, our next topic is rules for writing down the scientific names. I would like to mention here three things about the rules. Number one is as I have already told you, that the scientific names are, if they are written by hand, then they should be underlined separately. If they are written by the typed by the computers or the typewriter, they are written in italics. Okay, in italics, italics, and if they are handwritten, they should be underlined separately, separately, separately. Okay, this is very important. Sometimes students underline both the names with the same line, like this one, Homo sapien. The students do what they do, they underline it like this one. This is incorrect. The correct is Homo sapiens, this and this, they should be underlined separately. Okay. Second thing is, first part of the name is a genus name, and the second part is species name. Now the third is, this is also very important point. Remember, in a chapter, on a page, or in a lesson, when one name is repeated more than once, when one name means scientific name, when one scientific name is repeated more than once, then there is no need to write down full name of the organism. For example, I am writing down here about Homo sapiens. On the same page or in the same topic, I once write down Homo sapiens. Now, if I want to write down Homo sapiens or any other species under the genus Homo, there is no need to write down Homo sapiens completely. Okay? It's enough to write down like this one. For example, I am going to write down the name of a bacterium, that is Escherichia coli. Escherichia. I would underline it separately because it is a scientific name. If there is need to write down this name once or twice or thrice in a paper, in a book, in a topic, first I will write it a complete name. Then when I repeat this name second time, third time, fourth time, even 10th and 100th time, then there is no need to write down full name Escherichia coli. It should be written as E. coli. That is enough. There should be a full stop after the H. Clear? So, let's come to the third topic, that is the significance significance, significance of binomial nomenclature. The question is why there is need to give scientific names to the living organisms. This is the question, and answer to this question is very simple. Number one, general name, the common names, the vernacular names which are given by a layman is not based upon the scientific reasons. Number two, one organism may have different names. One organism may have different names in different regions of the world, or two organisms may have same name in different languages or in different regions of the world. Okay, so it was confusing. There are three things. Number one, the common names are not based on scientific logic, scientific reasons. Secondly, one organism may have more than one names, different names, or vice versa. Different organisms may have one or same name. So it was confusing